In this video, I'll walk you through how to get started with the DT Connect web portal. The web portal is where you set up your company account, manage devices, technicians and client sites, as well as access digital test reports captured through the DT Connect app. To register a new company account, visit the Cloud Portal login page and click Create Account. Enter your account, company and invoice details to complete setup. After registration is complete, a verification email will be sent. Click the link to verify your email before signing back into the Cloud Portal. If you're setting up your company for the first time, we recommend adding your devices and technicians first. Click the Devices tab to access the Devices dashboard, where you can view and manage all registered hardware. Click Add New Device, enter the serial number found inside the case, and complete registration. Once added, the device appears in your list and is available to all users in the DT Connect app. All XTR2 devices include a free 90-day premium trial. To retain premium features after the trial, click the green subscribe button and complete payment via Stripe. The Technician tab shows all users registered under your company. These users compare with devices in the DT Connect app and log in to the web portal if granted with admin access. To add a new user, click Add New User, enter their name and email, and they'll receive an invitation to join. The Sites tab provides an overview of all client sites, each containing job history and asset records. If you've just set up your company account, this page will be empty, but we have a couple of sites as a demonstration. Sites can be created during the job in the DT Connect app and added manually in the web portal. Each site contains key details such as address, last report date and asset count. You'll find two tabs below containing job reports, which is a history of completed work, and the asset list, which is all assets identified on site. The asset list stores all site assets in the cloud. This helps technicians save time on repeat visits by selecting previously tested items. Each asset displays info like asset type, location, address, loop, and zone. Assets are created automatically once a job is uploaded from the DT Connect app, or they can be created in the web portal by using the Create Assets or Upload Assets features. We'll cover these features in separate videos. The Job Reports tab shows all completed jobs submitted from the DT Connect app. Each entry includes site details, technician name, date, job duration, and the device used. Click View to access the full report. The report page shows a detailed log of testing activities. On the left you'll see the test log, and on the right you'll see a job summary with total assets tested and tests captured by XTR2. You can view and download the report in the browser, share via email, or export a CSV. The professional PDF report includes three sections: a job summary with a breakdown of site details and tests carried out, assets tested this visit, which is a list of all assets tested, sorted with failed items first, and finally test captured by XTR2, which is a chronological test log captured by the device, including any tests which were reconciled with the fire panel. The DT Connect Cloud Portal and app bring together your data, teams, and test records in one seamless system. Thanks for watching.